Life story of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Ulm in Germany. Einstein did not talk for a long time after he was born. He was born fat and with a really big head. His parents were worried about their kid, thinking something was wrong with him. He was too slow in childhood. Till the age of 9, he only used to speak to himself. His own family found him strange and dull. At school, teachers found him abnormal and average student, but Einstein used to do experiments all day. When Albert Einstein was 5 years old, his father showed him a simple pocket compass. Einstein was mesmerized. Einstein experimented with it all day long just to find out why always points to the north. That's the way to learn the most. When you enjoy the thing you do, you don't notice how the time passes. He struggles with the strict rules regarding the authoritarian disciplinary system of the German schools. He hated the education system and he was only taught to memorize things. And how creativity and independent thinking was punished. He never trusted the teachers, he always questioned the teachers and their methods. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of the truth. He started to learn things by himself outside the school. By the age of 12, he had learned geometry by himself. He failed to get into a new school to study physics. He studied another year to retake the examination. His experience in school was so terrible that he lost interest in science for a whole year. He struggled to find a job when he graduated. Because his professors did not give him job recommendation due to his poor attendance and attitude. His family was out of money and looked for help. He just wanted to start a career in physics. He sent out letters to scientists and institutions begging for work. He even worked as a private tutor to a young boy. He finally found job as an office clerk in Switzerland. A job that had nothing to do with his passion for science, but he took the job because he could finish the work fast. And he could do his scientific researches in his spare time. Never give up on something you really wanna do. A person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with fat. He spent 3 years at the same job. In 1905, a clerk in Switzerland published 4 scientific articles that brought a revolution to science forever. Guess who was that clerk? Albert Einstein. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. The clerk from Switzerland went to win Nobel Prize in physics. The rest is history. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. Unthinking respect for authority is the greatest enemy of truth. How did Albert Einstein die? After suffering an abdominal aortic aneurysm rupture several days before. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955 at age 76. Einstein would write that 2 wonders deeply affected his early years. The first was his encounter with a compass at age 5. Thank you and share with your loved ones.